Hi, I'm Sapna Agarwal, Creative Director of Ansa Interiors. In my design discussion series, today I'm going to talk about accessories and their importance in home decor. To change the interiors of a room or a home in the shortest possible time is only possible if you change the accessories. This change can be achieved in an hour or two. Anything which can be changed is an accessory. Accessory can be in the form of a wall painting, in the form of a decorative piece, in the form of a candle stand, planter, mirror, table clock, wall clock, photo frame, etc. Changing these accessories will change the entire look of the room. Other accessories can be in the form of soft furnishing, as in bed sheets, curtains, cushions, table covers, runners, rugs, or even carpets. Changing these with a change of season can just bring a new decor to the whole room. I would say experimenting and unfolding your creativity can also yield surprisingly beautiful results instantly. Wall art can be added to a wall to change the look. You can also do it yourself. A small flower arrangement on the center table or just on a corner can add a touch of freshness and joy to the home. Sometimes I think you can try like a hand painted cushion cover or a self embroidered bed sheet, or maybe just making a runner out of your old dupatta or fulkari to get that complete new look. Lights also play a very important role in accessories. So just changing one table lamp or probably just the hanging light will pep up your room. Stay tuned with us for design and decor tips. I'm Sapna Agarwal. For any kind of design consultancy, you can contact us at www.ansainteriors.com. Stay tuned. Have a nice day. Bye.